Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Master Alley. My name is Kerry. Last time we talked about DHP 481 Makita drill driver, and then this time we're going to talk about something else. But first, I want to talk a little bit about this drill driver. Our previous test around a year or a year and a half, something like that. This time, during the test, I want to give it another try and see it still perform the same. However, the result was quite surprising because it might look very new and everything just looked pretty much the same as 2 years ago, but the result is not very good. So what I'm trying to say here is I'm not sure about other countries, but in here people do buy a lot of second-hand tools because they're cheaper. But beware, it might look the same, it might look new, but it can perform much different. So just be careful. We're going to put it aside. Today we're going to talk about DHP 484, a one grade lower drill driver, but still this is a very good machine. This is not a metal chuck. What I heard here from the repairing shop, most people exchange this bit to a metal chuck, so it costs around 300 Hong Kong dollars. It's not much, but otherwise the rest are very good. The top control here is very good. You can hear from here. Very clear. This is a drill driver. We can do brakes and towel as well. 2-speed 1 and 2. I found this a little bit tight. Handle is perfect for Asian, small grip, and then the anti-slip is doing very good. Battery, I have done some tests before, so I'm not going to go into it. The indicator, very good. Alright, let's talk about the details. DHP 481, it's 484, excuse me. It's 1.6 kilogram, very light in weight, very good balance, and 500 to 2000 RPM rotation per minute. And for the torque, NM, I found Makita, the factory setting, the data are very conservative. So it says it's 30 to 54 Nm compared to other brand, which is very, I would say very small. But the performance-wise, this is very good, very consistent. You'll see in test in a few minutes time. For the chuck, it can hold up to 30 millimeters. That means you can drill metals for 13 millimeters. For wood, you can drill 38 millimeters, and then for brakes and towels is 13 millimeters. Because it can drill towels and brakes, the IPM impact per minute is 7,500 to 30,000 IPM. Price 850 Hong Kong dollars, which is very cheap. The drill driver itself. So if you have the Makita battery, I highly recommend you have one, because this is a very good drill driver. You can perform very well and very consistent if you bring it to the site. So let's go straight to our test. Hope you like this video, share with your friend, and give us some comments. I hope you like our test. Another thing I don't talk about is this dual charger. Especially for grinding, if you are a demolition person that needs a lot of grinding machine takes a lot of battery. Sometimes we have 3 to 4 battery itself. If you're only one single charger, you just don't have enough time and you have to just wait. But this, I found it very good because like in our bouldering gym, we have to keep replacing our battery, like 4 to 5 guys changing the routes. So a double charger, it's really good. So and it's really fast. It's like 9 amp, and also here has the USB charger as well. So if you're going on the site, you won't be worrying about charging your phone and so forth. So I highly recommend if this is, I mean here Hong Kong is a little bit more expensive, but I still think this is a very good gadget that you own.